Work equals force times distance times the angle of cosine. Here we see Professor Anderson putting in some work and while he mows the lawn. Uh, the more distance he pushes, the more work he does. Work decreases as the angle theta increases.
Two tugboats pull a disabled supertanker. Each tug exerts a constant force of 2.10 times 10 to the 6 newtons, one at an angle of 19 degrees west of north, and the other at an angle of 19 degrees east of north. As they pull the tanker at a distance of 0.840 kilometers towards the north.
Work is force times distance. The tugs are pulling at an angle to north, but each is pulling in the opposite direction with respect to the x direction, so the forces cancel out in the x direction, and the only force left is acting in the y direction. To begin, find the y component of the force from one of the tugboats. Thus we have Fy equals F cosine theta. F in the y direction equals 2.10 times 10 to the 6 cosine 19, and you get F in the y direction of 1985589 newtons. So now we double the force since there are two tugboats, where F of y would equal 3971178 newtons. Now we multiply by the distance, but first we have to change the distance from kilometers to meters. So we take 0.840 kilometers and times it by 1,000 meters, which would equal 840 meters. So now, since work is force times distance, work would equal 3971178 times 840. And now work would equal 3335789,520 joules. Rounded to 3 sig figs, which would equal 3.34 times 10 to the 9th, which is the total work done by the two tugboats on the supertanker.